How to Earn Money Online, A to Z Guide for Chatting and Writing in 2024. Imagine earning hundreds of dollars a week just by chatting with people or writing simple articles. Yes, it's real. In this video, I'm giving you a complete A to Z breakdown on how to start, succeed, and scale these side hustles into real income. Welcome to Prince Sam Official. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Complete AZ tips. A. Analyze opportunities. Identify platforms for chatting, for example, Friendly, Flirtbucks, and writing, for example, Fiverr, Upwork. B. Build a great profile. Create a professional and appealing bio with keywords relevant to your niche. C. Choose your focus. Chatting, for companionship, customer support, or advice. Writing, blogs, articles, or social media content. D. Develop skills. For chatting, active listening, empathy, communication. For writing, grammar, creativity, and SEO basics. E. Explore platforms. Chatting, Friendly, RentAFriend, Premium.chat. Writing, text broker, iWriter, Medium. F. Find opportunities. Join freelancing groups on Facebook, Reddit, or Discord to find gigs. G. Grow your online presence. Use LinkedIn and social media to showcase your expertise. H. Handle your time wisely. Allocate hours for chatting and writing to balance earnings. I. Invest in tools. Use Grammarly for editing and Jasper AI for content ideas. J. Join forums and communities. Participate in forums for writers or freelancers for support and advice. K. Keep updating skills. Take free or paid courses on Udemy, Skillshare, or Coursera. L. Learn how to market yourself. Post engaging content on social media to attract clients. M. Manage your rates. Charge fair rates and increase gradually as you gain experience. N. Network strategically. Build long-term relationships with repeat clients. O. Offer bonuses. Upsell with additional services, like premium chat time or advanced writing features. P. Protect your identity. Use secure methods for chatting and payment. Q. Qualify your clients. Avoid scams by vetting clients and sticking to trusted platforms. R. Refine your workflow. Use task management tools like Trello to stay organized. S. Stay consistent. Regularly work on projects to maintain a steady income. T. Track your progress. Record earnings and feedback to measure growth. U. Upscale your services. Offer bundled packages or expanded services for higher paying clients. V. Verify payments. Stick to safe payment methods like PayPal or direct bank transfers. W. Work on multiple platforms. Diversify your income by joining more than one platform. X. Excel with feedback. Act on constructive criticism to improve. Y. Yield better results. Focus on providing high-quality work to keep clients happy. Z. Zoom into your niche. Once experienced, specialize in a niche to earn more. With this A to Z guide, you now know how to earn money online by chatting and writing. It's time to take action and turn these opportunities into a reliable income stream. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Prince Sam Official, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future money-making tips. Thanks for watching. Prince Sam Official loves you all. Stay motivated, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.